News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Rupinder Kaur Chawla giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Small Industries Corporation Limited, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Divyangjan, Union Public Service Commission, National Power Training Institute, Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, and Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology. National SC/ST Hub NSSH is an initiative of the Ministry of MSME, Government of India, with an objective to provide professional support to the SC/ST entrepreneurs. NSSH is being implemented by NSIC, a Government of India enterprise under the Ministry of MSME. Applications are invited from professionals or retired officials of PSUs and banks with suitable domain expertise to be engaged as e-tendering professional and finance facilitation professional on consolidated monthly remuneration at Agra, Lucknow, Ludhiana, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Kolkata, Patna, Guwahati, Chennai, Bhubaneswar, Shillong, Surat, and Hyderabad. National SC/ST Hub offices to assist the SC/ST entrepreneurs existing or aspiring for participation in tenders and availing credit from banks, financial institutions, respectively. For detailed scope of work, terms and conditions and application form, eligibility, etc., please visit career section of the website www.nsic.co.in. The eligible candidates may apply in the prescribed application form and send the same with all supporting documents to the concerned authority. The last date of receiving the application is 14th of November 2021. The applications along with all the enclosures can also be accepted on email hrm@nsic.co.in by the said date in a single email, subject to the condition that the applicant agrees to submit exactly the same application with all annexures that was sent on email in hard copy at the time of personal interview in case of his or her shortlisting for the same. Applications are invited from suitable candidates for appointment as chairpersons, Rehabilitation Council of India, a statutory body constituted under Section 3(1) of the Rehabilitation Council of India Act 1992. Rehabilitation Council of India has been entrusted with the twin responsibility of standardizing and regulating the training of personnel and professionals in the field of rehabilitation and special education. As per Section 3 of the Act, the chairperson to be appointed by Central Government of India has to be from amongst the persons having experience in administration with professional qualifications in the field of rehabilitation, disabilities and special education. Eligibility criteria and all other relevant details, including the application form, are available on Department's website at www.disabilityaffairs.gov.in. Candidates fulfilling the eligibility criteria indicated on the website of the department may apply in the prescribed pro forma together with supporting documents to the concerned authority by 8th of November 2021. Next is notice by Union Public Service Commission. The result of written exam of Central Armed Police Forces Assistant Commandant Examination 2021 has been declared by the Commission. Detailed result is available on the Commission's website www.upsc.gov.in. The link has also been provided on the National Career Service Portal, that is www.ncs.gov.in. Translational Health Science and Technology Institute is an autonomous institute of the Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. Invites applications for recruitment to the following administrative positions: 2 posts of Administrative Officer, 1 post of Management Assistant, and 2 posts of Data Entry Operator. Last date for receipt of online application is 23rd of November 2021. For details, please visit the website www.thsti.res.in. National Power Training Institute, Power Systems Training Institute, Ministry of Power, Government of India announces 31st batch of 26 weeks PGDC in Transmission and Distribution Systems. Last date for receipt of application forms in all respects is 26th of November 2021. Display of merit list in website is 27th of November 2021. Counseling and admission is on 2nd and 3rd of December 2021. Commencement of the course is 6th of December 2021. To download the prospectus and application form, please visit www.nptibangalore.in and www.npti.gov.in. Email is nptipsti.training@gmail.com or piyali.npti@gov.in. Next is recruitment notice by Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. The online examination, preliminary and main, for the next common recruitment process for selection of personnel for probationary officer or management trainee posts in the participating banks is tentatively scheduled on December 2021 or January 2022. Online registration, including edit or modification of application by candidates, is 20th of October 2021 to 10th of November 2021. Online examination preliminary 4th December 2021 and 11th December 2021. Online examination main is January 2022. Candidates are advised to regularly keep in touch with the authorized IBPS website www.ibps.in for details and updates. Before registering, online candidates are advised to read the detailed notification and follow the instructions mentioned therein. Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, an institution of national importance, has been set up by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India, through an Act of Parliament as an institute of national importance. The institute is empowered to award degrees in its own right. The institute is co-promoted as an energy domains specific institute by 6 leading oil public sector units, that is, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Oil India Limited, GAIL India Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, in association with the Oil Industry Development Board. The institute is associating with leading international universities or institutions specializing in the domain of petroleum technology and energy. Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology invites applications for admission to various BTech and integrated dual degree. For BTech program in petroleum engineering, chemical engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics engineering, environmental engineering, information technology, mathematics and computing, and renewable energy engineering. For integrated dual degree program in BTech in computer science and engineering and MTech in artificial intelligence and BTech in geoscience and engineering and MTech in geophysical technology or geological technology. Visit www.rgipt.ac.in for further details and apply online. Last date of application is 26th of October 2021. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.